life is not about what I give you and how much I give you, or how many gifts I buy you. It's all about love and connection.
Even if you don't think you have something, you always got love. You always got energy. You can always create the energy and the love to give. I don't have to meet anybody's expectations or my own. I just gotta love.
When you are vulnerable and when you just speak from your heart and move out of your head, that good things happen.
It's the holidays. What do you want under your tree? What would be the ultimate gift for you? What's a gift that you'll never forget? What's a gift that would penetrate your soul? The answer we all know is love. You know, so many times in people's lives, they treat the people closest to them in ways they'd never treat a stranger. And yet here we are in the holidays and we let the stress and the time get in the way of who we are. At our core, we're love. And then when we experience it at its deepest level, we're so fulfilled. And yet trying to go get love, well, that's a tough one. Trying to give love, it's always there. I mean, think about it. We get the gift when we give it because we're embodying it. Love is not a thing. It's a way of being. If you want the most magnificent holiday, if you want to transform your life and you want to transform it right now, step back into the generous lover that's inside of you and think about, what am I here to give? What kindness could I share today? And think about being a generous lover. And what if the spirit of this holiday, the ultimate gift you could give was your patience, your kindness, your honoring of others, your acknowledgement, your capacity to let go of things, even if you were wronged. Everyone's wronged. Everybody wrongs people at times. Nobody means to. What if you were to give people just a little more room? What if you were just be a little bit more generous with your time or your energy or your awareness or your connection? That willingness to connect with people, that willingness to give to people you don't even know will change your life faster than any principle that I know. Haven't you ever been in a state where you just snapped at somebody unfairly and you felt bad about it afterwards? Well, it's good to remember if somebody snaps at you. Being a generous lover is also just being forgiving, just letting go, and remembering, hey, we're all doing the best we can. And if we can be kind to people in those moments, they never forget it. It bonds us at a deeper level of connection and love than you'll ever get by everything being perfect. Same's true in your business. Listen, when there's a real challenge, if you can heal it then, if you can take care of your client, you'll bond with them more powerfully than if there was no problem at all. So don't look at problems as a reason not to love. Look at problems as a reason to love more. You know, the secret to living is giving, so give that love. What if your holiday was filled with that kind of present and that kind of presence, giving the presence of kindness, of love, and of generosity? If you decide to make that decision and you really live the next few weeks this way, it might become just a habit that changes your whole life, not just your holidays. Let's be generous lovers today and every day. Let's catch ourselves and let's allow ourselves to feel the spirit of the holidays, which is joy and love.